Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're gonna spend some time working on the frame relay between two rollers. In this demonstration, I'm going to show you how to configure the frame relay, and we're going to specially use in our topology two rollers. In the middle, we have a switch that's called frame relay. Let's begin. So I need to go first here. Click in the shell, go to the shell, grab two roller. Especially I will choose the C3725 for this demonstration. And then I need also this switch frame relay, which is here. And I grab it. Now, to make sure that I would not forget, I will have to assign those router IP address before that. Let's go to the switch frame relay, make some configuration. I will go here, click on configure, right click, and then from here I need to choose a port where I can choose where the frame relay will be connected. So in my case, I will choose the port number 0, and the DLCI is where the source and the destination goes. So my DLCI number I will choose for 101 for the source, and for the destination port, let's choose port 1, and then my DLCI number I will choose 201. So what I'm going to say now, I'm telling the router, this guy, you can go from the source to this router from 101 and back and forth from the port 1 to the line 201. And I need just to click on add. As you can see, it's well added, and click on apply and click OK. Then we're done with this frame switch relay. So now the second thing I need to do is to connect this router and the switch. Here I choose the number 0, and here click on serial port 0 through line 1. Well, our connection with the switch and the port relay is done. Now I need to assign IP address on the router. So I will choose especially those address. This one will be for the router 1, and the other one will be for the router 2. So let's put it here, then we may not forget. And now I need to start usually our router before to do anything. Let's start both router. And now let's jump in on the console mode where we can make some configuration. Okay, here our terminal mode is open from the router 1. Let's make it a little bit smaller where you can do work and see at the same time the screen in the back. From here, let's make some configuration. Well, I need to go to the configuration mode. And from here, usually we need to choose our interface, following by the IP address command. And subnet mask. And we need to put no shutdown command to bring the interface up. Okay, our interface now has been bring up. And now we need to type one command. Encapsulation frame relay. Frame dash relay. And we're not done yet. Now we're gonna pause. For the router, we need to put a little pause, a little break, and go to the router 2 to do the same thing. interface. We should not forget to assign the IP address. And following by the no short command to bring up our interfaces, which is very important. You should not forget that step. Okay, now we need to tap encapsulation, frame dash relay. Well, now let's go back to the roller 1. So I finished with the roller 1 and 2 for now, for the first step. Now let's jump in on this second part. From here, I already set up both roller, the IP address, and I put the no short command, and following by the command encapsulation frame relay. Now we're not done yet. From roller 1, I need to tap one command, frame relay, and map. We need to map the address where we're going from. Map IP. Remember, we're going from here to here. So we're going to map these addresses, these destination addresses. Following by the interface where we're going through. Remember, we put the first to go to the line, it was 101. So when we're going to broadcast our line, is going to be from the line 101 and following by the broadcast. And now we need to tap another command, frame relay. This time we tap interface, and the number of the interface is going to be obviously 101. And lastly, we need to put the number of the bandwidth. Let's make it 64. It need to be the same on both switch router. We're done with the router 1. Now let's go before we done, let's make sure yes everything is okay. Let's make the command do show run interface s0/0 to see how it looks like. So we can see in our configuration what we done. So we assign the bandwidth 64, the IP address has been assigned, the encapsulation is set to frame relay, the clock rate is okay, the frame relay IP mapped is set up to broadcast on line 101, and frame relay interface also 101, so which looks fine. Now let's jump in on the router 2, do the same thing. And now following, remember the command we put first encapsulation frame relay. Now the following command will be frame relay map IP. This time is going to be the IP address of the opposite. We're going the opposite direction. 192.68.12.100. And then we broadcast on the line 201 this time. Following by the command frame relay interfaces dash and 201 and press enter. And lastly, the command bandwidth. Remember the other side it was 64. So we need to set up the same. Then we're done with the router 2. And let's click on end. Now let's try to ping our router from the router 2 or router 1. Let's try to ping these addresses. It's supposed to work normally. As you can see, we get success 100%. And we can go back to the other router as well, router 2. Try to ping the router 1, back and forth, ping 192. As you can see, we got success, so we had 100% connection. That's it for this demonstration.